What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's time for another BUC-EE'S update. Let's jump right into it and see what they've got done this week. As you can see, they've got a lot of the light posts up in the parking lot and a lot more concrete has been added. Things are moving right along. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight, and drop some comments. Let me know what you think they'll do next. You'll see in this video I keep it low and slow the whole time because it was so windy this weekend. It just did not like being up any higher than this. It's time for another BUC-EE'S Fun Fact of the Week. Did you know that they hold more than one world record? Besides having the biggest car wash, they also have the largest convenience store. To put that more into perspective, one of the BUC-EE'S in Texas could fit 22 7-Elevens inside their store. Now that's crazy. We'll see you next week for more fun facts. Alright guys, that's going to wrap things up for this week. If you hung around for the whole thing, thank you. I appreciate it. Hope to see you next week as well. Let me know in the comments down below what you think is going to be done next. Don't forget to like this video and share it to anybody else that loves Buc-ee's. As always, thank you for watching, and if you want to keep going down this YouTube rabbit hole, let's pick another video for you right there.